Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Roger. I'm a volunteer with Cariad Pet Therapy. This is the other member of the team. This is Ozzy. Ozzy is an 8-year-old golden retriever that we've had now for 4 years. He's a rehome dog, he is. Why did we choose Cariad Pet Therapy? He's such a sweetheart and wants to say hello and make a fuss of everybody that we thought he might be an ideal candidate for this. And in fairness, since we've started, and it's now nearly been 18 months, I think, he has really fitted into the role. We've just completed our weekly visit to a medium secure unit at Glanreed, mental health unit at Glanreed. And the staff and patients there love to see Ozzy come in every Monday. We do a number of visits in similar premises to this, but talking about this one in specifics, the staff are reporting changes in mood and attitude of patients, in that he's got a calming effect, and he's more than happy just to walk up and sit next to people and get patted and scratched and itched. He really is superb at this, and I think he gets a lot out of it. As well as the patients and the staff here, I certainly do, because it helps me as well with my mental well-being, that we can get out and do things together in environments such as this. Sometimes I do get asked what is the process for joining or becoming a volunteer, and what is Cariad looking for. I think it's fair to say that if your dog is fairly stable in his approach, and he doesn't get too jumpy or scared, and wants to say hello to people, then I would certainly recommend talking to the team and go through an assessment if necessary. Say with Ozzy, and I can talk about Ozzy so you get some idea of the sort of dogs we're looking at. He is very chilled, he's very laid back, as you can see, and really, as long as they don't get too excited and they don't jump and they don't sort of make a fuss or bark, I think it's well worth looking at, and I would thoroughly recommend it to anybody whose dog really wants to make friends and be loved. As well as I mentioned earlier, as well as benefits to people that we visit and to Ozzy, who was obviously the most important one in all of this, I certainly get a lot out of the involvement that we have with the visits, and that's whether it's to an employee well-being visit, to a mental health environment, a hospital environment, military veterans environment. It certainly allows me time to refocus on myself and giving something back into the people and the community in general. And I certainly get a lot from the various visits that we do. There was one specific item or incident last week that we attended to, and to see the interaction between Ozzy and a patient was absolutely fantastic, and it gave me a real good feeling of doing something for people that really need some sort of help and therapy in relation to it. It helps me with my work, it allows me to unwind, it allows me to concentrate on things away from what I'm trying to do on a day-to-day basis, and it gives me some serious quality time with this young fella here, and for me that is worth its weight in gold.